just now you have seen the sample program of HTML in which how to type the program, what we have to do inside program. Everything I have explained in detail. How to use the other tags inside body tag. Those things I have explained you. I hope that you have understood the sample program of HTML clearly. You have understood it in a better way. Now going with the next point of introduction to HTML. That one is HTML heading. Now HTML heading here means like here subject, likewise we can say that subject is a heading, class is a heading, HTML heading, this is a heading. Likewise there are many forms of headings in your textbooks. Okay, so the larger heading, the smaller heading, the subheadings, the least important headings. So there are many forms of headings in your books. Okay, so on web page also, on website also we can see different types of heading. We get to see different forms of heading, like the if there is a heading, if there is a name of a company like our Saint Monica website. So heading of a Saint Monica International School. We can see in website that it is bigger inside, Saint Monica International School, Vaidapur. After that there are subheadings like contact is the heading, like video is the heading. So there are many forms of headings in that. About our school, information about our school, these are the heading. So all these headings varies from each other, are different from each other. Some are larger, some are smaller, some are little bit smaller, some are least smaller. So headings varies. The forms of headings varies means they are different from each other. So in HTML, how we can give headings in HTML web page. Okay, so headings we can give in the HTML web page with the help of heading tag. Now there are total 6 types of heading tag. How many types of heading tag? 6 types of heading tags are there in HTML. Like HTML heading are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 to H6 tag is there are total 6 form of HTML heading. Likewise, if I say H1 heading is the larger heading, is the very larger heading. Next one is the H2 type of heading. It is little bit smaller than H1 heading. Next one is the H3. These are the tags. So it is little bit smaller. Again H4. It is again smaller. H5 type of heading is again smaller, and the H6 type of heading is the least important type of heading. So here you can see that I have written one alphabet. I have written an alphabet called A, and H1 has the bigger size, H2 has the smaller, again H3 has the smaller size than H2. So what is here? The headings now, when we use heading tag inside a body tag, they are in pairs. H1 starting and H1 means ending and starting tag. This tags comes in a pair. So when we write text inside the starting and ending tag of heading, the first form, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth and the sixth. Okay, when we write text inside these tags, what happens? The first, the H1 defines the most important heading. The most important heading we can say like your textbook name. Now this here our textbook name is information technology. Okay, so its size is very much larger than the chapter name. So we can call it that it can be a type of H1 type of heading. Same way, if there is a note written on your textbook, on your history geography textbook, there are note written, N-O-T-E, note. This word is written, and in that there is a little bit description given. Okay. So that note is not much important for studying, for preparing for exam. So we can call it that it is the least important type of heading in the which is designed in H6 tag with the help of H6 tag in HTML. So there are in HTML basically there are 6 forms of heading, and the most important heading is defined with H1 tag and the least important heading is H6 tag, and as we use this tag the size of the headings get in decreasing order. Okay, so we are going to see the sample program on this, and after that you will get to know how the heading tag works.